Ever since I was a baby girl, I had a dream, Cinderella theme, crazy as it seems. Always knew that deep inside that there